In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Intercom Workspace ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to copy the correct identifier, often called the app ID, so you can use it for integrations, API setup, or when support asks for it. This is the official ID tied to your Intercom workspace, and it's the one most tools request. First, open Intercom and head to Settings. You'll usually find the gear icon on the left-hand side or near the bottom of the navigation panel. Click it to open the settings area. If you manage or have access to multiple workspaces, take a quick second to confirm you're in the correct one before moving forward. Your workspace ID is specific to the workspace you're currently viewing, so being in the right place matters. Next, inside Settings, go to the Workspace section and choose General. Think of this area as the profile page for your workspace. It's where Intercom stores fundamental details like the workspace name and time zone, ownership information, and most importantly for us today, the unique identifier that powers many integrations. Now look under the section labeled Workspace Name and Time Zone. Right there, you'll see an entry labeled Workspace ID. In some parts of Intercom, this may also be referred to as the App ID. They mean the same thing in this context. It's typically a short string of letters and numbers. When you found it, copy it exactly as shown. There's often a copy icon you can click to grab it without any mistakes, but you can also highlight and copy it manually if you prefer. This value is your official ID, and it's the one you should use anytime a tool or a setup screen asks for your Intercom App ID or Workspace ID. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you don't see the workspace section or the ID field isn't visible, you might be working with limited permissions. In that case, check with an admin on your team to make sure you have access to workspace settings. Also, make sure you're not in a different environment or a test workspace if your organization uses more than one. The ID will be different for each workspace. That's it. Go to Settings, Open Workspace, and then General, and copy the workspace ID from the workspace name and time zone area. Keep it handy for your integrations and documentation, and remember that Intercom may label it as App ID, but it's the same official identifier.